Hello everyone. So for this video, I'm just going to be going through an overview of like installing CPQ package into your free developer org of Salesforce or any Salesforce org. So it's just going to be me taking you through a fresh developer org and then what an install of CPQ package looks like. So you're going to go into this website, Steelbrick. There you go. I'll have the link in the description for the video. Production. Click install for all users, accept all third-party integrations, and then it'll take a minute to install, and then once it installs, you'll get an email that looks something like this. It was successful. It's going to take a minute. And then you go over into your org. That's what it'll look like. Now, once you're done, go into your org, setup. So we are going to install packages. So I'm going to see if can view components, see if it'll let us. To give like a overview of CPQ, what it is it's its own application merged in Salesforce. So merging with all the out-of-the-box functionality of Salesforce, your primary objects that you really want to focus on at the start at least, there's a whole bunch, but at the start, your main objects are your account, contract, opportunity, order, order product, and product. Those are going to be a key part of the foundation of your CPQ org. So the first thing that you want to do is just go in and change the page layouts for those objects. So we're going to walk you through that real quick. So yeah, this is the CPQ managed package here. So as you can see, there's a whole ton of stuff. Custom fields, a whole bunch of custom objects, buttons, links, Apex, Visual Force pages, Apex classes. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So it's a whole big deal of Salesforce here. So a lot of different things to learn, like tons and tons of different stuff. Really cool functionality, just like the possibilities are endless what they can do with this. So really, really cool stuff. So when you bring the org, this employer is going to be in contact with Salesforce.com. They're going to purchase the licenses, whatever licenses they need, and then to get CPQ onto their Salesforce org, and then you're going to be installing it, something like this, and then we're going to go into those objects, page layout assignments. So what we want to do is we want to, now that we have all these different new layouts, I already went in and changed this to the CPQ account object, but you're going to have to manually go in and change each one. So you're going to have to and go into the different users, and it'll be a mixed bag. It won't be just converting them all because not everyone in your org might use CPQ. So for our purposes, we just care about this, but I just converted that. So you just select which one you want to convert. It's already converted, but then you go in here, select the page layout, and then it's already converted, but we just care about system administrator. That's all we care about, but it's already went in and made some changes there. And let's go into the contract object. This is another key object. So like I said, we brought in the CPQ functionality. Now we need to integrate it into our page layouts for the different. So we're editing the assignments. We're going down here, system administrator. It's already there. So just standard user as well. Standard user. Yes, yes. Deselects it sometimes, so you just got to make sure you got the right order of operations. So big conglomeration of fields, custom objects, Apex class, Visual Force pages, a whole bunch of stuff. So lots of amazing things in this. So we're going to go into our install packages. We're just going to jump into the configure here. So at the start, there's going to be an error up here. Basically, once you go into pricing and calculations, go down here to user integration, use integration user for calculations. You're just going to want to click over here to make that error go away. Going to be spending a lot of time in here and all these different configurations, learning about all these different things. It's just kind of like an overview, just kind of see what's up. All right, so now let's jump into our CPQ. So can move it around in here. I like to have it right at the top there so I can see it. Just click on it, open it up. All right, so we're going to just jump into a quote really quick. I'm going to go down one of the first things you want to do is go in here, edit this Lightning page. So the most important button on the quotes is going to be the upgrade dynamic actions. Sure, go ahead and do that. Finish. So we want to show like 7, and then we want to find our edit lines, bring it up here, bring it up to the top. Got all this junk in here. We really just care about the edit lines. That's the most important thing. Change that, activate it as our default, desktop and phone. Yes, yes. All right, so we got our edit lines up there. We can go back. So we're in our quotes, edit lines. So this is the quote line editor. We're gonna pick our price book, quote line editor. We're gonna add, you can add products. We'll learn all about products, bundles, nested bundles, all that good stuff, options, features, all that good stuff. So just kind of quick look at the QLE. So QLE is kind of similar to any other custom object, but it does active calculations and sets up quotes. So it's important to know that you can only have one primary quote. You can have a lot of quotes that aren't populated as the primary. So you can make a whole bunch of different quotes. You can, some of these fields are editable, some of them are not. You can update the quantity. Some of these, okay, so that changes the price. Uh, calculate. See, change, save it. So yeah, it's just the QLE, very important piece. You need to learn this backwards, forwards, upside down, know everything there is to know about it. So we're gonna really spend a lot of time on this. Let's jump over to products. Let's see, it's gonna work. So this is the old, what it looks like, just Salesforce out of the box, no custom fields or anything. You're just gonna create a product. So I'm gonna show you what the QLE, sorry, the CPQ product page layout looks like. Looks like this. So you're gonna, it's a lot of different stuff. You got your configuration, layouts, tabs, pricing, subscription, upgrades, renewals, everything in here. So this is a lot of information. Um, Really the most important things right now is just product name, product code, activate it when you're putting a new product, and then have a detailed description. It's very important in CPQ that you have a detailed description so that the CPQ software down the line can reference that for different functionality in CPQ. So really important piece. And yeah, so there's that. Sort order. So the idea with the sort order is your the smaller the number, the higher up on that list of products that we looked at. Let's go over here to the QLE just to kind of focus on this a little bit. Quotes, go back to the QLE, edit line. So when we go to add products, that's sort order. Just to kind of give you a general overview here. It's going to make it so whichever the smallest number of the sort order is going to bring it all the way up to the top. So if you have an important product, you want to have a low number. If you have a product that's maybe not as important, do a bigger number. It's fine. So just kind of a general overview. Yeah, so that's kind of just an intro to CPQ. Definitely going to be making more videos about this. Just super excited to learn more about this. Just absolutely incredible. Just the functionality is just mind-blowing with this. So definitely lots to learn, lots of great content out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.